you're a writer, you cook at home yourself. But to the audience listening, what do you think chefs can be doing better to help the next generation?
Well, I guess the thing that has been missing a lot in the past that I think is better nowadays, but could always be even better, is simply encouraging curiosity, encouraging questioning, getting back to question everything. And in fact, that's reminding me of yet another wonderful chef from my past, I think no longer with us, who said in French, je sais que je sais jamais. I know that I'll never know. So just encouraging the younger generation to not to try to know everything, to realize that it's impossible to know everything. You never know everything. And that's okay. In fact, that's part of what drives you to go in every day and work with the same ingredients because you never know what you're going to discover.